ERi-TV dear viewers, welcome to English News Broadcast for today, Saturday, August 17 at exactly 10:30 p.m. local time here in Asmara. These are the major headlines for today. Students' summer work program concludes. Seminar on controlling malaria prevalence held in Gashbarka region. Deadly floods kill over 50 people in northern Chad. And India completes the development of satellite launcher. On your domestic reports, the 26th edition of the Students' Summer Work Program for the academic year 2023-2024, which commenced on 8 July, officially concluded today, 17 August. The national program saw the participation of over 28,000 students, including 33% female students, along with more than 1,000 teachers, agricultural experts, coordinators, and barefoot doctors. The program was conducted across 44 subzones from 126 centers nationwide. According to Mr. Goitom Yamane, coordinator of the program at the Ministry of Education branch in the Central Region, 96% of the activities focused on water and soil conservation, while the remaining 4% involved traffic safety, road renovation, construction of water diversion schemes, and other related tasks. He also noted that the program was fully implemented according to plan, with commendable participation from the students and coordinators. The Student Summer Work Program is a national initiative in which high school students actively participate. The Ministry of Health branch in Gashbarka region organized seminars in Molki and La'alai Gash subzones focused on controlling the prevalence of malaria. During the seminars, heads of health facilities in the subzones emphasized the sustainable environmental sanitation activities and proper use of impregnated bed nets are among the most effective interventions for controlling the disease. Mr. Zerai Berhe, administrator of Molki subzone, and Mr. Gide Stefanos, administrator of La'alai Gash subzone, urged the public to diligently follow the advice provided by health professionals to ensure their health and well-being. Highlighting that 80% of malaria cases could be controlled through environmental sanitation, Mr. Sultan Hagos, Head of Information and Promotion at the Ministry of Health branch in the region, and Mr. Bashir Saleh, Head of Malaria Control, stressed the importance of proper use of impregnated bed nets and the initiation of community-based control mechanisms. Dr. Hayelom Kidane, Head of the Ministry of Health branch in the region, and Mr. Franco Kubaba, Director General of Social Services in the region, called on all administrators at all levels to organize sustainable environmental sanitation programs and for health practitioners to conduct regular follow-ups. On your last local report, 2 dams are currently under construction in the Enrukhbet and Rehe administrative areas of Halhal subzone, aimed at ensuring a potable water supply for both humans and livestock, as well as supporting the development of irrigation farming. Engineer Ermias Asgadom, coordinator of the dam construction in Enrukhbet, reported that 60% of the construction has been completed. He noted that upon completion, the dam will significantly contribute to enriching underground water reserves and enhancing irrigation farming in the area. The commander of the Brigade of the Defense Forces, which is actively involved in the dam's construction, stated that the members of the Defense Forces are also participating in water and soil conservation activities. He expressed their commitment to completing the dam's construction according to schedule. Mr. Grmatian Abraha, administrator of Halhal subzone, highlighted that the construction of the dams will secure a reliable potable water supply for the administrative areas. He also commended the active participation of both the local residents and members of the defense forces in the project. Dear viewers, we'll be back shortly with your international reports and more. Please stay tuned. Welcome back. At least 54 people have been killed due to flooding following continuous rainfall in Chad's northern province of Tibesti. Authorities and local media said this on Thursday. According to the governor of the province, the rainfall, which started Friday and continued to Wednesday, destroyed properties. Over 50,000 people have been displaced by flooding in the province, local media reported. The country's Minister of Social Action, National Solidarity and Humanitarian Affairs said on Thursday that makeshift shelters have been put in place to host displaced people. Chad has been experiencing flooding since mid-May that has already affected 245,000 people. This is according to the UN Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs. On today's final report, the Indian Space Research Organization on Friday, 16 August, successfully completed the third and final development flight of the small satellite launch vehicle. The Indian Space Agency will now transfer the technology to the Indian private industry and the state-run New Space India Limited. The small satellite launch vehicle is capable of launching mini, micro or nano satellites 10 to 500 kg in mass into 500 km planar orbit. The small satellite launch vehicle is a three-stage launch vehicle with all solid propulsion stages and liquid propulsion-based velocity trimming module as terminal stage. According to reports, the design drivers of such launch vehicle are low cost, low turnaround time, flexibility in accommodating multiple satellites, launch on-demand feasibility, and minimal launch infrastructure requirements. You're still watching ERi-TV, dear viewers, and now recap of the major headlines. Student summer work program concludes. Seminar on controlling malaria prevalence held in Gashbarka region. Deadly floods kill over 50 people in northern Chad. And India completes the development of satellite launcher. That was it for today, dear viewers. Thanks for watching.